Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to go live on TikTok on Xbox. Now there are three main methods. Method number 1, using the Streamlabs console app with no PC required. This is the simplest method as it allows you to stream directly from your Xbox without a PC or capture card. First, download the Streamlabs console app on your Xbox console from the Microsoft Store. Open the app and connect your streaming platforms by logging into your TikTok account. Customize your console scenes and layout to include your gameplay. Select TikTok as your streaming destination and finally go live to start streaming on your Xbox game directly to TikTok. Method 2. Using a PC and the Xbox app, Remote Play. This method uses your PC to capture your Xbox gameplay. Download the Xbox app for Windows on your PC and log in with your Microsoft account to connect to your Xbox. Download the TikTok Live Studio or use Streamlabs Desktop on your PC. Launch the TikTok Live Studio or Streamlabs Desktop. Add your Xbox console to your streaming software by selecting the Xbox PC app as a display capture and audio source. Set up your stream by creating scenes and sources in the studio and go live on TikTok through this streaming software. And finally, method 3. Use a PC and a capture card. This is the more advanced method for high quality streaming. First, connect your Xbox console to a PC using a game capture card. Download a streaming software like OBS or Streamlabs Desktop on your PC. Add the capture card as a video source in your streaming software. Set up your stream layout, including any webcam or microphone sources. Connect to your TikTok account within the streaming software and start the stream from the software to go live on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.